Welcome back to my channel. This is Coco again. So for today, we're going to have a peach eye makeup and like this. And for you to find out how to do it, please watch this video. So first, we're going to wear our contact lens. This is from Japanese Candy. And next, we're going to apply SPF. This is from Megan Daily Defense Sunscreen. So after you apply sunscreen, going to apply primer from Decay Makeover. And next, our favorite BB cream from Holika. And our sponge from AOA. So next, we're going to apply our concealer. This is from Maybelline Petite. This is the color of Sable. And next, we're going to apply eyebrows from Milani. This is the color of medium brown. Wow. And next would be this eyebrow mascara from Maybelline. This is one of my favorites. We're going to define our eyebrows doing this. And we're gonna use a brush from NYX. This is a concealer brush. So this is the version of my thick eyebrows using the Milani. But we're not done yet. So we're going to apply our favorite Colourpop Sol. This one. And next we're going to apply is this color Motel. This one. Under your eyes. Next we're going to use a blending brush. Blend, blend, blend. So under our eyes, we're going to apply Hotel. And this is the color. This one. Next, concealer. going to apply this. Unwind. And ooh, again. And a little round motel. This one. Alright, so our next would be applying an eyeliner from Nichido. So as you can see, I do have hooded eyelids, so I didn't. Now we're applying just up to here, in the middle of our eyes. And create an illusion to make your eyes bigger. BenNye. Highlighter, going to use Naked Flush Streak. By the way, let's put some bronzer on our nose. Highlighter here. Alright guys, this is the finishing touch of my makeup for the peach. And I hope you do like it. If you do like this video, my makeup, kindly comment down below, subscribe, like, and also follow me on my Instagram. Thank you. Bye.